Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I just want to give you guys a warning about two major bugs that have been discovered which are affecting all iOS devices and Macs as well. Basically the whole industry. All devices that use Intel chips or even AMD chips are affected by both of these bugs, and AMD only by one. So let's go ahead and get right into that and tell you guys what you need to know and how you can protect your device. The first one is called Meltdown, and this bug affects only Intel chips. So basically most of iPhones and iOS devices and Macs as well, also computers from other companies and mobile phones from other companies use the Intel chip. And this bug can be exploited to basically steal data from someone's iPhone or other devices and get their information and stuff like that. That can be done maybe through an app that you can go ahead and just install from an untrusted source, so someone can exploit this bug to basically steal something from your iPhone, like data or your information or other stuff like that. The other one is even bigger. It's called Spectre, and this bug affects Intel and AMD as well. Basically the major part of the industry, computers, mobile phones, all that stuff are affected by this bug, and this is more huge and more serious than the other one because this will also require these companies to make hardware changes on their chips in order to protect the devices of people from this bug being exploited to basically harm someone and their device. So Apple has recently released a statement here where they talk about these two bugs. So according to Apple, they have released an update on iOS 11.2. There has been a security update that will protect devices from the bug called Meltdown, and according to this statement, they will release further updates also to protect devices from the other bug called Spectre. So this other bug can be used even in websites. So if you'd like, visit a suspicious website that can contain that bug, can be exploited to basically steal something from your device. So we can expect Apple in the near future to release updates that will help our devices being protected from these bugs. So just keep an eye on the channel. I will release a video once these updates are out. So basically what you can do to protect your device from Meltdown and Spectre is update it to the latest version, which contains security fixes that will help protect your device. Of course, that means you will lose your chances of jailbreaking your device, but if you don't care about jailbreaking and you want to have these fixes, you can go ahead and update to the latest software. As I said, iOS 11.2 contains fixes that protect your device from the bug called Meltdown. So this is just a warning video. Go ahead and update your device, of course, if you don't care about jailbreaking, because these updates contain some very serious security fixes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I will keep you updated once Apple releases a new update to protect our devices from these bugs. So go ahead and subscribe for more, and also follow me on my social media. You will find all the links in the description of the video.